Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to unmute someone on Instagram. For this, all you need to do is go for your profile, then go for in this three-line option, go for settings and privacy. Now you can see here a muted account option here. So click on it and choose that person who you want to unmute. So if I go for this unmute button, click on it. Now you have to just unmute the option. Okay, then go back. So you can see this is how you can unmute someone on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.